Okay, question 18 we have regarding a probability question here. So let's read through it. Go ahead and get our pen ready to go. Let's use green this time. We haven't used green yet in this series. So we'll use to underline some things. A box of spools of thread contain, we'll underline 3 spools of red, 4 of blue, 2 spools of green, and 3 spools of yellow. What is the probability of reaching the box without looking and picking a red spool? So probability by definition is what we want, and I'll just kind of write what we want over the total that could possibly be. So in this case, we want red. All right, so I'm gonna circle it. This is our key. We want, so we want red. Right, so let's look up here and find out which one of these when we were reading was red. So we have three spools of red. So what we want is 3, and now we just need to determine what is our total. And the total is just going to be you add all of your numbers up. It includes the 3 red ones also. Don't omit those 3 just because those are the ones we want. So we would have the 3 plus 4, which is 7, plus 2, which is 9, plus another 3 of the yellow, which is 12. Okay, so we have 3 over 12. We look at our answer choices, and 3 over 12 is not one of our choices. Now, they have reduced in the answer choices. 3 over 12 reduces to 1 over 4, which would be A, our answer choice. Now, if you are uncertain about the reducing the fraction and that sort of thing, there's always a way that you can just convert your answer into a decimal. So you could have divided 3 by 12 and wrote that number down, and then converted each one of the answer choices into a decimal until you found the one that matched your decimal. So don't think you got it wrong just because what the probability fraction you have doesn't match the answer choices. First, think to yourself, did they try to reduce it down? If you can reduce it down, if you get hung up on reducing and say, well, I can't quite, you can always convert any fraction to a decimal and convert any of your answer choices to a decimal. And now we're comparing, for a better term, apples to apples. And you can compare one decimal to another, find the one that matches, and you'll have the correct answer. So to recap right quick, we want in probability our want, the outcomes we want to have over the total amount of outcomes on the bottom. And that total amount includes also the ones that you want. So we wanted 3 reds, which was 3, and then the total we added the 3, 4, 2, and 3 together and came up with 12 total outcomes.